Montana, nestled in the mountain west of the United States, is bordered by Wyoming to the south, Idaho to the west, North and South Dakota to the east, and the Canadian provinces of Alberta, British Columbia, and Saskatchewan to the north. Known for its expansive landscapes, Montana is a haven of natural beauty. With nicknames like Big Sky Country and the Treasure State, it offers everything from glacial lakes and towering mountains to historic mining towns. Whether you're drawn to its wild spaces or modern cities, Montana is a destination of remarkable contrasts and adventures. Join World Travel Picks as we uncover the top spots to explore in this diverse state. Number 10. Livingston. Livingston, an old railroad town, is reborn as an arts hub surrounded by 4 majestic mountain ranges and nestled by the Yellowstone River. This town's central location between Bozeman and Billings makes it a great base for exploring Yellowstone National Park, just 55 miles away. Livingston boasts a range of activities from exploring historic sites to enjoying vibrant local culture. The town features charming galleries, lively music, and theater performances, with excellent dining options to match. This quaint Old West town is a blend of artistic flair and outdoor adventure, ideal for a unique getaway. Number 9. Bighorn Canyon. Bighorn Canyon offers a tranquil retreat with opportunities for camping, hiking, and horseback riding amidst its diverse landscape. The canyon's scenery includes high deserts, dramatic canyons, and picturesque valleys. The Afterbay Lake, located below the Yellowtail Dam, is perfect for trout fishing and wildlife watching. The Bighorn River, renowned for its world-class trout fishing, flows through this area, providing additional recreational options. Bighorn Canyon is a hidden gem that offers solitude and beauty, with a wealth of activities such as boating and hiking in a stunning natural setting. Number 8. Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park. Lewis and Clark Caverns, Montana's first state park, showcases one of the Northwest's most spectacular limestone caverns. These illuminated caves, rich with stalactites, stalagmites, and unique formations, are a marvel to explore. Guided tours are available from May 1st to September 30th, offering a cool retreat and educational experience. The park also features a self-guided nature walk above ground. Visitors can enjoy hiking, picnicking, and wildlife viewing, in addition to exploring the caves. This park combines natural wonders with outdoor activities in a captivating setting. Number 7. Big Sky. Located high in the Gallatin National Forest, is a paradise for nature enthusiasts, dominated by Lone Mountain. This alpine resort stretches from the Gallatin River to the summit of Lone Peak, offering the biggest skiing in America in winter and a range of summer activities. Big Sky is ideal for skiing, hiking, mountain biking, and fishing. The surrounding trails provide opportunities for snowshoeing, horseback riding, and snowmobiling. The area's natural beauty and variety of activities make Big Sky a prime destination for year-round adventure. Number 6. Helena. Helena, Montana's capital, is a gateway to the Gold West Country and a starting point for many Montana adventures. Key attractions include the Montana State Capitol Building and the Gates of the Mountains on the Missouri River. Helena features historic sites like Reader's Alley and the Great Northern Carousel, alongside scenic hiking on Mount Helena. The city's mix of history and nature, including nearby state parks and trails, provides a rich experience for visitors. Helena offers a blend of cultural and natural attractions, making it a must-visit in Montana. Number 5. Flathead Lake. Flathead Lake, located in northwest Montana, is one of the largest lakes in the American West, boasting over 180 miles of shoreline. This pristine lake is perfect for water activities like boating, fishing, and kayaking. Seasonal cherry stands along the shore add a unique touch to the area. Wild Horse Island, accessible only by boat, is a highlight, featuring feral horses and stunning scenery. The lake's clear waters and surrounding parks offer a range of outdoor experiences, making Flathead Lake a beautiful and versatile destination. Number 4. Missoula. Missoula, known as the Garden City, is situated in the northern Rockies where 5 valleys meet. This vibrant city is a hub for arts, education, and outdoor recreation. Home to the University of Montana and surrounded by natural beauty, Missoula offers numerous activities including rafting on the Clark Fork River and exploring local museums and galleries. The city's historic charm is complemented by its modern cultural scene. Visitors can enjoy a mix of outdoor adventures and urban experiences in this dynamic Montana city. Number 3. West Yellowstone. West Yellowstone offers a year-round outdoor playground with activities for every season. Spring brings wildlife sightings and blooming landscapes, while summer is perfect for hiking, rafting, and horseback riding. The fall elk rut provides a dramatic natural spectacle, and winter offers opportunities for cross-country skiing and ice fishing. As the main winter gateway to Yellowstone National Park, West Yellowstone provides access to snowmobiling and snow coach tours. This town is a prime location for exploring the park's natural wonders throughout the year. Number 2. Bozeman. Bozeman, situated in southwest Montana, serves as a gateway to Yellowstone National Park and is known for its picturesque surroundings and outdoor activities. The city is nestled between the Gallatin River and the Bridger Bowl ski area, offering opportunities for hiking, fishing, and skiing. Bozeman's vibrant cultural scene includes museums, breweries, and historical sites. Visitors can explore the city's natural beauty and cultural attractions, making it a popular spot for both adventure and relaxation. Bozeman's charm and accessibility to nature make it a top destination in Montana. Number 1. Glacier National Park. Glacier National Park, straddling the U.S.-Canada border, is known as the crown of the continent ecosystem. With over 16,000 square miles of pristine wilderness, it features dramatic landscapes, including 26 glaciers and 130 lakes. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking views from the Going to the Sun Road, hike trails like the Highline Trail, and experience the serenity of Lake McDonald. The park's diverse wildlife and stunning scenery offer endless opportunities for outdoor adventures. Glacier National Park stands as Montana's top destination, captivating visitors with its natural beauty and vast wilderness. Feel free to adjust any sections further to fit your channel's style. For more travel inspiration and detailed guides, visit worldtravelpics.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest for the latest updates. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures around the world. Happy travels!